Hello friends, I am Aryan Imansolone studying in General Mount Literacy School in class 6B. So today we will do the filtration process with material available at our home. First of all, I would like to tell you what is filtration process. Filtration process means to filter water with the impurities. So I have made this model at home. First, I will take the bottle and cut the upper side of the bottle. Then I uh, wrapped one cloth on it and put one layer of cloth in the bottle. Then one small layer of charcoal in it. Then again small layer of cloth in it and some layer of soil. So I have take here one empty glass and some muddy water. So I will take the empty glass and put this filtration model upper on it and pour this muddy water in this bottle. So as you can see, the muddy water is getting purified at the bottom of the bottle. So I will tell you why this happened. Uh, when I pour the impure water in this, the soil in that impure water, or we can say the big impurities, size of impurities, get settled in the solid part, solid layer. Then the water go down, and here is the layer of cloth. So the small impurities get filtered with this, and as we can know, the charcoal also helps to purify filter water. So in this model, I have take the layer of charcoal, so the water is getting filtered from this. Then I have kept one small piece of cloth in the bottom, so the impurities or the dirty water gets filtered in this, and we can get pure water from this. See, after 5 minutes, we will get the filter water. But remember that it is not a pure water, because germs are there in this water, so we can't drink it. See, the filter water is coming from it with very a small amount, uh, but it is low, but we can get the very filter water from it. After waiting for 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, we get this much of filter water. So this way our filtration process is done. Thank you.